Hi everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very cute hat. I use 7mm hook, 7mm yarn. Make a magic circle. Insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn. Make one chain. Stitch first round in this magic circle. Insert your hook into this ring, pull up yarn, pull through, pull up yarn, pull through. Make single crochet stitches 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. With this chain we have 8 stitches in first round. Go to top of first stitch, slip stitch. In here make 2 chains, yarn over, go to same stitch in first stitch, make 1 double crochet. Now we have 1 2 stitches in first stitch, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, go to same stitch, 2 double crochet, go to next stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, go to next stitch, make 1 2 double crochet, make 2 double crochet in each stitch. Now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 stitches in second row. Go to top of first chains, slip stitch. In here make 1 2 chains, go to same stitch, make 1 double crochet, go to same stitch, make 2 double crochet, skip 1 stitch. I show skip this stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, make 2 chains, yarn over, go to same stitch, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, add 2 chains, go to same stitch, make 1 2 double crochet, skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch, make 1 single crochet, 1 2, make 1 2 double crochet, skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch, 1 2, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch, 1 2, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, skip 1 stitch, go to this stitch, make 2 double crochet, skip 1 stitch, go to next stitch. We made 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 of these stitches. 2 first chains I show in here. Make 1 single crochet. I show one more. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times, and we repeat like this: 2 chains, 2 double crochet. In here, make 1 2 chains, go to these chains, make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. From this round we add 1 more double crochet and repeat. Skip this double crochet stitch, go to chains. We made chains. I show. Go to chains. Make 1 single crochet, 1 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Skip double crochet stitches, go to chains. Make 1 single crochet, 2 chains, 1 2 3. Skip double crochet stitches, go to chains. 1 2 chains, 1 2 3. Skip double crochet stitches, go to chains. 1 2 3 and repeat. I show I made 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. I show 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 of these stitches in here. In here, go to first these chains. I show. Make 1 single crochet, 1 2 chains, go to same stitch, 1 2 3. Continue like this. Skip 1 2. We have 3 double crochet in here. Skip 1 2 stitches. We have 3 double crochet stitches in here after these chains. Skip 1 2 stitches after 2 double crochet. Make 1 single crochet, 1 2 chains, repeat like these stitches. Go to same stitch, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and go to these chains. Make 1 single crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. and repeat. We have 3 double crochet in here, skip 2 stitches, go to this stitch, 1 single crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, go to chains, 1 single crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, skip 2 double crochet, make 1 single crochet, 2 chains, repeat. We add more stitches in this round. In previous row we have 8 of these stitches. In this row we should make 16 in total of these stitches. I made in here, I show into last stitch, go to this chains, make 1 2 3 skip 2 stitches, make single crochet, 1 2 chains, 1 2 3 double crochet, go to first chains, make 1 single crochet. I show in here we increase stitches like this. We have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 of these stitches in total. Go to these chains and repeat. Make 2 chains, 2 3 double crochet, skip 3 stitches, go to these chains, make 1 single crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, skip 3 stitches, go to chains, make 1 single crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, skip 3 stitches, go to this chains, single crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet. Without increase, continue like this. We made 16 of these stitches in each row. And repeat. 2 chains, 3 double crochet, repeat 16 times until here. I made 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 16 of these stitches, and continue, repeat more rows. 2 chains, 1 2 1 single crochet in this chains and make more rows. I crocheted until here. I show one more. Two chains, 3 double crochet, go to next chains, make single crochet, 2 chains, 1 2 3 double crochet, start this row from here. 1 2 3 repeat like this S stitch, 4 5 6 and repeat 16 times. Repeat this S stitch in every rows. Go to last S stitch in this row, make single crochet, 2 chains, 1 2 3. Go to this first S stitch, make single crochet. I show 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 of these S stitches. I show this is suitable for adults. centimeters in here, suitable for large and large size. I show I have 20 centimeters in here. You can continue until you reach your desired hat.